Hey there everyone, welcome to my channel Techie Sada. So today we'll see prerequisites to learn Web API. So these are the prerequisites. If you see you want to learn ASP.NET Web API, so first and foremost you need to have basic programming knowledge in C#, like writing methods and what are the return types available and how a method will return something. So these are all the basic things you need to know. So let me explain you once again. ASP.NET is not a programming language, it's a framework, and we write code for ASP.NET in C#, right? Okay, so installations required for ASP.NET is the first and the first and foremost thing is Visual Studio. That is must for developing ASP.NET Web API. So let's see the installation part of ASP.NET Web API. Go to your Chrome and just type here visualstudio.microsoft.com. You will be presented with this kind of page. Click on downloads. You will be able to see the latest version of Visual Studio, and these will be available in 3 different variants like community, professional and enterprise. I would recommend for you guys is community edition. So this is free and open source for students, so who are going to learn something. So community edition is the best one. And if you guys wanted any older downloads, just go ahead and click here. You will be seeing this kind of years there, so click on it. As of now I am using 2017. If you click on download, you will be able to see 2017 versions of downloads. Let's see here, Visual Studio Community 2017, right? So click on it. That's it, it will get downloaded. So for this video I'll be showing you 2019 version. So go ahead and click on download. So you will be able to see this file. So I just already downloaded for the time being. So if you go ahead and open your folder section, you will be seeing this kind of file. So double click and open it. Click yes, then click continue. You will be able to see this kind of downloading over there. So once it's done, you will be presented with another screen. There you will have to select workloads. Let me show you the workloads available. Click on Visual Studio 2019. It will give you the brief about Visual Studio. Like you can see, the IDE will be looked like this, and here it's saying like write code with few errors. Like what it's saying is the IntelliSense. It will give you the IntelliSense, so you can write code with few errors, like it will give you the suggestions and all. So these are the workloads you have to take. First thing is ASP.NET web development. This one you have to select, and ASP.NET desktop application. This is for mobile application development, and this one specifically Node.js. Right now it's in trending. So yeah, these 4 is enough for this tutorial. So let me see there. Yeah, it's done and now it's installing. That's all guys, so it's just installed, so it's searching for updates. Let me show you. It's saying almost there. So these will be the things you need to select. First is ASP.NET web development. This is the one which we are using for the entire playlist, and Node.js select for future you will be using this, and the JavaScript development that we are not going to cover in this tutorial. And this this is for mobile application development. Select this, and this is for .NET desktop development. Take this as well. If you want data processing kind of Azure and SQL Server, take this as well. So this total space required, it's saying total space required is 12.98 GB. So this is the required space, but the installation files will be around 4 to 5 GB, in between 4 to 5 GB. So go ahead and click install here. So I am having already 2017 version in my PC, so I'm not going to install this. Once you're done with the thing, we'll start developing our ASP.NET Web API application development. So that's all, guys. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel yet, and press the bell icon for quick notifications. Bye bye, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video.